Hi there, I'm Harriet, and I'm here to talk to you about the transformative power of self-paced and embedded learning. Traditional learning methods often struggle to keep up with the needs of individuals and organizations, particularly when months are slow and paid time off is encouraged. That's why at Arcadia Consulting, we develop tailored solutions that put your learners in control. Self-paced learning allows individuals to learn at their own speed, wherever and whenever it's most convenient for them. But it's not just about flexibility. Our self-paced and embedded learning initiatives seamlessly integrate into daily workflows. This makes learning a natural part of the job, reinforcing skills and knowledge in real time. But what does this mean for you? This means that your employees, your learners, can develop the skills they need to succeed without disrupting daily workflows and without sacrificing productivity. It means that your organization can leverage and extend existing learning and development programs, ensuring continuous growth and development even during those times of ample paid vacation. And it means you have a trusted partner with Arcadia Consulting, dedicated to developing tailored solutions to meet your unique needs. If you are ready to unlock the full potential of self-paced and embedded learning, let's set up a call with one of our consultants. Together, we can help your organization reach new heights. I'm Harriet, and I'm here to help.